This is where the artificial eggs manufacturing process truly begins.
These powders are designed to replace what nature once provided.
Every drop is calculated, controlled, and repeated.
This mixture will soon look like something familiar. But appearance is not always the full truth.
Once prepared, the mixture must move without exposure.
Everything is sealed, timed, and monitored. The process continues behind closed systems. Precision keeps the operation moving non-stop.
Now, the real transformation is ready to begin.
Behind these walls, artificial eggs are produced at scale.
Access is controlled, and nothing is left to chance.
This is where imitation meets industrial efficiency. Everything must align before processing begins.
Now the system moves as one.
Before shaping begins, the mixture is refined. Consistency is engineered, not guessed.
Every step ensures the same result every time.
Only approved material moves ahead. Now the real construction begins.
Here, the base structure of artificial eggs is formed.
Texture is designed to imitate nature. Heat locks the structure into place. Precision keeps production moving without pause.
This is where imitation takes shape.
Here, the base structure of artificial eggs is formed.
Texture is designed to imitate nature. Precision keeps production moving without pause.
Heat locks the structure into place.
This is where imitation takes shape.
Egg white is engineered first, layer by layer.
The yolk is designed to look rich and familiar. Both parts must behave like a real egg. This is where illusion becomes convincing.
What you see now looks complete.
Automation keeps everything moving at scale. Every unit is checked in milliseconds. Anything imperfect is instantly removed.
Millions can be produced without pause.
Everything works as one system. Even the surface is carefully controlled. Nothing is left to chance. Uniformity defines mass production. Appearance is preserved for transport. Now, the final checks begin.
Every batch is closely examined before approval.
The goal is to imitate natural behavior.
Only approved results move forward.
Quality control keeps production consistent. Now, the process reaches its final stage.
Each egg is carefully placed for safe transport.
Sealed and labeled, ready for shipment. Millions of artificial eggs are stacked for delivery.
Every carton awaits its journey to stores.
And this is how modern factories produce artificial eggs from start to finish.